iUnite is the first true interactive business network and marketplace for Black and Brown-owned companies. The network consists of a national business directory and soft marketplace. Users can search for businesses, products, and services using keywords, categories, and multiple other tags and filter options. This software is equipped with Google's latest geolocation technology, allowing you to find what you are looking for anywhere you are. Users can post requests, and vendors can interact with the users and bid on those requests. Business vendors can create a company profile and add an unlimited number of listings for their business products or services. Users can purchase products and services using this centralized software. Vendors have rich features available for their listings, including reviews, location, add to favorites, calendar, social media links, hours of operation, and a direct message feature. Vendors also have a dashboard back office where they can track and manage orders, revenue, listings, requests, packages, bookings, messages, and so much more. This service is being offered at no cost, so why wait? Join the fastest growing business network in our country's history. Happy connecting!